Today, we're going to cover all about the new sidebar redesign. It seems small, but it's a big change actually, because we have to have power over the organization we have for our work inside Asana. In my personal opinion, it looks clean and organized. Mainly what changed is the way that we see all our projects at our work. And they're adding a section for that. We're already familiar by having our home view, my tasks, and inbox. And probably you're noticing that you don't get to see from here your reporting, portfolios, and goals. Those are now inside. Here, you get to have access to your reporting, portfolios, and goals. Your favorites, bookmarks, everything that you have saved in Asana is now in the started section. In this area, you will have everything that you have bookmarked as favorite of project, form, or saved searches. And next, we have our project, which is a complement for teams. We continue to have our teams where we now access our projects by clicking in the layouts, and then we get to have access to each project inside a team. But in the projects area, we get to have access to specific projects that we are working continuously. This will depend on the nature of your business, what you do. Here you can only see top projects or recent projects. So these are like the projects you work with and collaborate the most. But if you need to have access to specific projects that you are the owner, what I suggest to all my clients and what we have implemented is that every project manager or project's owner should have their own portfolio. And then you bookmark that specific portfolio. From there, you get access to those projects. So for the nature of our business, we have a client's project portfolio, which I bookmarked. And then from here, I get to see both things. I get to see the portfolio if I want to see a reporting when I'm budgeting time or resources for a specific client. And then I get to access every client's project from this area. Because in my case, I am the owner of all these projects. So that's basically what changed here. There are other aspects like we no longer have access to deleted items or specific searches, but we continue having our search bar. And I always say that you should keep it simple and use what you already have in Asana. And from a search, you can search for deleted items. If you need to look for something that you probably have deleted, you get to see it from here. We just rely on your advanced searches in Asana that are powerful so that you don't need to scroll down into your teams and then projects and finding a specific project. You get to see it from this area. Let us know your thoughts. Another thing that we really like for specific clients that has project with larger names is that now you can also open this up a little bit more so that you get to see the full name of a project. But if you have really good naming conventions, that shouldn't be a problem, especially if you work with multiple clients. As you see, we create codes for clients so that they all have the same length. And then we just have a project to keep track of those client codes. That saves you a lot of headaches in terms of having long names for your projects. Just create naming conventions and that will make your work easier. That's it. We just wanted to introduce you this new layout. Let us know what do you think, what do you like the most, and if there is something that you don't like, also share it with us. We constantly testing things in Asana, trying to find solutions that even though we're not developers, we try to create solutions that could adjust the way that you work. We are all ears in terms of the things that you like and don't like about the tool.